Hello Vechain holders, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now my friends, in this video I'm talking about the breaking news of the Vechain. What's the current price of Vechain? What's the price change occurring in the Vechain? In this video I'm going to show you. But before starting this video, please click the subscribe button. Also like this video, my friends. My friend, in this time, if we talk about the price of the Vechain, so 0.087794 USD dollar is the currently price of the Vechain. Furthermore, my friends, if we talk about the price changes of the Vechain, so now this time, the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week changes occur in the Vechain is positive, my friends. Absolutely, the Vechain starts a high explosion, start a quick jump, my friends. So that's really a good news for all Vechain holders, my friends. Anyways, other side, my friends, if we talk about the market rank of the Vechain, so 22 is the market rank of the Vechain. Absolutely, my friends, the market rank of the Vechain will become top 10 cryptocurrencies, my friends. And other side, my friends, if we talk about the price chart of the Vechain, so now, my friends, in the last 4 hours, just in the last 4 hours, they started jumping, my friends. You know what, in a previous time the price of the Vechain is faster, but now in the latest hours the price start explosion. So absolutely, I hope that they will continue this pump for a long time and they will give you profit in the future, my friends. My friend, in this time I really recommend for all of you that please invest more and more in the Vechain. Absolutely, if you invest more in the Vechain, so that's how same you get a high amount of profit from a Vechain, my friends. Anyways, other side, if we talk about the last 1 day price changes occur in the Vechain, so positive 1.65% positive changes occur in the Vechain, and 0.0690105 USD dollar is the highest price of the Vechain. Anyways, tell me in the comment box, how do you feel today about Vechain? What is your opinion? What is your prediction about Vechain? Please tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.